Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a BMW 1 Series headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a T20 Torx screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb, typically an H7. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is off and the engine is cool before starting. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. This prevents any electrical shorts during the process. To access the headlight bulb, first turn your steering wheel fully towards the side you are working on. This provides better access to the wheel arch liner. Next, locate and remove the 3 T20 Torx screws holding the wheel arch liner in place. Once these are out, gently pull back the liner. You should now see the rear of the headlight assembly, making the bulb housing visible. Now, carefully twist the bulb holder counterclockwise to unlock it from the headlight assembly. Gently pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. When handling the new bulb, always avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the holder, then twist it clockwise to lock it securely back into the headlight housing. With the new bulb installed, carefully push the wheel arch liner back into its original position. Reinstall the 3 T20 Torx screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are secure. Don't forget to reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.